Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from binary tree, which is called zigzag traversal. Okay, so you will be given one binary tree, something like this: 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what is zigzag traversal? So first you need to traverse something like this in this direction from left to right, and second time when you will traverse, you in level order, what we traverse only left to right. Okay, now here first you will for first level you will traverse left to right, then for second level you will traverse right to left, then again left to right, then again right to left, and means one by one. Okay, so what will be the resultant here? 1. Okay, then right to left, so 3, 2. In level order it should be 2, 3, but now here it is 3, 2, and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one should be the resultant. Okay, how you will achieve it? Very simple. It is the modified version of level order traversal. Okay, you just use one flag. So initially, if it is true, then you will traverse left to right. If it is false, then you will traverse right to left. Then again, after each level, okay, you just invert it. Okay, that's it. If it is true, make it false, then make it true. So let's see. Let's try run it. Okay, so what you will do, first you will take a list of integer. Okay, why list of integer? To store the result. Okay, so in first level, this one will be your list. Okay, left to right. Second level, this one will be your list, right to left. Then third level, this one will be your list. So you will store all these things in list of integer. Okay, so now you have taken that as result. Okay, and then if root equal to null, then return result. That will be your base condition. Okay, otherwise you will create one queue. Okay, so just create one queue. After that, after creating queue, put a root variable in that. So root is 1. So this one, so till here it was fine. Now now use and take one flag, left to right equal to true. Okay, so left to right equal to true right now. When you insert true, root that time. Now just run your while condition. Okay, while loop. And what will happen in while loop? Until the queue is not empty. Okay, you run this while loop. So this is what we were doing in level order. Okay, just one thing here is different, that is you are taking the queue size, okay, in a size variable, and then you are creating one level linked list. Okay, why? Because you have created this list of integer, but who will create list? What we will put into this result, right? So list of integer you will create to store the level wise result. For example, in one level 1 will get stored, in second level 3, 2 get stored, in third level 4, 5, 6, 7 will get stored. Okay, now you have taken the queue size. Current queue size is 1. Okay, what you will do, you just do the queue.poll. Okay, so you took this 1. Now you check if it is left to right. Okay, if it is left to right, then you add this variable in a list what you just prepared, right? This level list. So you add this variable in last position. Okay, so why last, we will check that now. Okay, after some time. So you have added one, you have created one node and added this node there. Okay, now after that, left to right, this is done. Now node.left is not equal to null. Yeah, condition 2 you have, right? So you will queue.offer, so you will add that into the queue. Again same for node.right, so 3 will come here in the queue. Okay, and then result.add, so you have added this into the result. Let me clean the result right now first. Okay, and then on first level, in first iteration, this one will get added into the result. Okay, after this what you are doing, see this one line condition, left to right equal to not left to right. So if it is true, it will make it to false. If it is false, it will make it to true. Currently it was true, so now I will make it to false. Okay, now again back to my while condition. Queue is not empty. Correct, queue is not empty. I have two variables there in queue. So I'll check the queue size. Queue size is currently 2. This one is not there. Okay, 1 is not there. So queue size is now 2. Okay, now I will run one for loop I will iterate it 2 times, right? So that's why it will take the first variable from queue. So this is first in first out queue. Okay, so 2 will come out. Now is it left to right? No, now it is right to left. Okay, so what you will do, you will add this at the first location. You have created one list. Okay, new list. So now you have created one list, and you will add this 2 there. Okay, again if it's left and right is not null, then put it into the queue. So yeah, 4 and 5 I'll put here in the queue. Okay, what is next? Result dot then while condition is still here only. Okay, for loop condition is still here only. So now it will run for next iteration because size is 2. So size was 2 na, so I equal to 1 ke liye to it ran, but the I equal to 2 again it will run. So again it will take q dot poll. So now this time this 3 will come out, okay, and then 3 will add first. So you will add first. Now you understood, because you want 3 2, not 2 3. That's why. So 3 2 you have added, then you will add its left and right also. So 6 and 7 will get added into the queue, okay, and then you will, after this for loop, it will come out from for loop, okay. Then it will add this value into the result. So 3 2, this one will get added into the result, okay. Again while loop will check, okay, if q is not empty, yes, it is not empty. So what is the q size? This time it is 4, and in the last iteration this became true again, okay, left to right. Now this is 4, so 4 times this one will run, okay. So first 4 will come out, so 4 will come out, and this time we will add last, okay. Then 4 left and right is null, no need to add that in a queue. After that 5 will out, 5 will come out, okay. Similarly 6 will come out. We don't have any children's here. 7 will come out, okay. And then you will add this into the list. So 4 5 6 7, okay. And then at the end, yeah, queue is empty, so it will return result. So that's it. Thank you.